Imagine a machine so vast it functions as a floating city, so powerful it can carry 80 combat aircraft, and so advanced it is powered by 2 nuclear reactors that won't need refueling for 25 years. This is the USS Gerald R. Ford, the newest, largest, and most expensive warship ever built in human history. With a staggering price tag of $13.3 billion, it is the lead ship of a new class of supercarriers designed to dominate the seas for the next half-century. But what makes this 1,300-foot Titan so special? And why does the US Navy call it the most lethal asset on the ocean? Today we go inside the ultimate floating fortress. Welcome to Apex Military Tech. The most revolutionary feature of the Gerald R. Ford isn't its size, but how it launches planes. For decades, carriers used massive steam-powered catapults, but the Ford uses EMALS, the Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System. Think of it like a high-tech railgun for airplanes. By using magnetic fields, EMALS can launch aircraft more smoothly, reducing wear and tear on the airframes and allowing for a higher number of sorties per day. Paired with this is the advanced arresting gear, which uses water turbine resistance to catch landing jets. These technologies, combined with a redesigned flight deck and a smaller, more efficient island or control tower, allow the Ford to launch 25% more flights than the older Nimitz-class carriers. It is a masterpiece of modern engineering. Beneath the flight deck lies the heart of the beast, 2 A-1B nuclear reactors. These reactors produce 3 times more electrical power than previous carrier classes. This massive amount of energy doesn't just push the ship to speeds of over 30 knots. It powers the advanced sensors, the electromagnetic catapults, and future laser defense systems. Because it is nuclear-powered, the Ford has virtually unlimited range. It can travel anywhere in the world, staying on station for months at a time without ever needing to pull into a port for fuel. This makes it the ultimate tool for global power projection, a sovereign piece of American territory that can appear on any coastline in the world within days. Operating a machine, this complex requires a massive human effort. Over 4,500 sailors and aircrew call this ship home during a deployment. Life on the Ford is a masterclass in logistics. The ship features improved living quarters, better air conditioning, and even specialized gyms and libraries. To feed thousands of people, the galleys serve over 15,000 meals every single day. There's a full hospital, a dental clinic, a post office, and even a television station. But make no mistake, this is a workplace. From the flight deck crews in their colored jerseys to the engineers in the belly of the ship, everyone works in high-pressure shifts to ensure the Ford remains combat-ready 24/7. With a $13 billion price tag, you might wonder, how do you protect it? The Ford is surrounded by a carrier strike group, a wall of destroyers, cruisers, and submarines. But the ship also has its own teeth. It is equipped with the dual-band radar, which can track everything from incoming missiles to tiny drones. For defense, it carries evolved Sea Sparrow missiles, the rolling airframe missile system, and the Phalanx close-in weapon system, capable of shredding incoming threats with thousands of rounds per minute. It is one of the most difficult targets on the planet to hit, let alone sink. The USS Gerald R. Ford is more than just a ship. It is a statement. It represents the pinnacle of naval technology and the future of how nations protect their interests at sea. As the first of its class, it paves the way for a new generation of supercarriers that will serve for the next 50 years. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Ford. If you enjoyed this deep dive into naval power, Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more military tech content from Apex Military Tech. What's your favorite warship? Let us know in the comments below. We'll see you in the next mission.